Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today is gonna be the start of my week 2 on keto video. So if you guys have not checked out my previous video on starting keto, please go ahead and do that. Also remember to subscribe if you have enjoyed this video and the other videos on my channel. Also remember I have another channel called Yadness that I'd love for you guys to check out. Please also remember to like this video. Yes, I'm gonna take you on week 2. I'm gonna be showing you my eating as I did last week, the different things that I prepared and stuff like that, and overall my results. Now if you watched last week's video, you would have known that I lost 6 pounds in the first week. Personally, I just feel like that's water weight, so we'll see if the weight loss will continue at that, I guess, speed this week. So I just finished my workout. Today is Monday the 23rd of August. Just finished my workout. It was rough, no lie. This is a workout that I always do on Mondays, but it was just really rough for some reason today. I think that is because, I don't know, I think I'm eating way less calories. I'm not really eating lots of carbs, but I'm hoping that eventually I'll be able to get through my workout again without like dying. But yeah, I just wanted to just create this intro and check in with you guys for week 2 of keto. So the next clip that I'll show you is what I'm eating for lunch. Just a reminder, if this is the first video that you're watching, I do intermittent fast, so I don't eat until lunchtime. So I remain fasted, just drinking water until it's time for lunch. So when it's time for lunch, I'll show you guys what I'll be having. So stay tuned. I'm having my first meal of the day. It's currently 12 o'clock. I'm having some curry chicken breast with some cucumber and some lettuce with some ranch dressing. So I'm gonna eat this now. Hopefully this will be filling. But yeah, this is what I'm having for my first meal on keto day 1, week 2. Also gonna have the rest of this sparkling ice kiwi strawberry with my food. I drank I drank the first half in last week's video. You would have seen that, so I'm just having the balance now. It is literally so late. It is literally 8:04 p.m. and I'm just having something to eat. I'm literally so hungry, weak out, tired, lack energy. But I'm gonna be having just some turkey breast meat with some salsa and some cheese and some relish, and I think I'll have some jello as well, and I'm gonna drink some water. Girl is tired, so late, and I'm just about ready to go to bed, but I needed to eat something because, as you saw, my lunch wasn't like big, so I need to get in my calories. So that's what I'll be eating. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I have prepared it. So y'all know the strips already. I just have the turkey breast, and each of them is 1 carb. The turkey breast slices, each of them is 1 carb. I added some cheese, added a little bit of relish, and the red that you're seeing is the Tostitos medium salsa. That's what I'm gonna eat right now. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Like, I was literally so tired and I'm running out of eggs. So yeah, I couldn't bother to light the stove and make the egg. I really had in mind to make egg, but I'm running out. And I need my egg for what I think I want to eat tomorrow. So this is what I came up with for my snack. Good morning, guys. Happy keto day 9. Today is Tuesday the 24th of August. Boy, today workout this morning was so rough. Like, I legit have to be eating now, and it's 9 o'clock because I'm so weak and so hungry. So yeah, feeling very popped down. So I'm gonna have something to eat because I'm not pushing it. So let me show you what I'm eating now. So I am eating this morning just some salad, lettuce, a few strands of carrot, and some cabbage is in there, I think, or is it just like cabbage is in there. And then I have a tin of Vienna sausage which I crushed. I did some cheese, and then I have some frozen strawberries here. So I'll be eating that. I'll also be drinking my water. So yeah, that's what I'm having for the first meal at 9 o'clock this morning. Good morning, happy keto week 2, day 10. Just checking in with you guys. Just did my workouts. Boy, the workouts this week have been so hard, so hard, and these are the usual workouts that I do on a weekly basis. But the good thing about this week is that I was able to work out for 4 days for the week. Last week I was only able to work out for 3, so I'm glad that I have completed my workout for the week. I should tell you guys that I haven't been urinating as frequently. So I basically get up only once in the night to use the bathroom, whereas last week I was getting up like 4 times to go to the bathroom. So that's good. Actually, since we're being transparent over here, I actually had to have a cookie last night and some crackers because I was feeling so sick, and in order for me to take some medication I needed to have something on my stomach. And as you guys know, yesterday the last meal that I would have basically eaten was about what, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I don't remember what. It was in the afternoon, and I started to feel sick like in the night, like 11 o'clock. So I had to just munch on something quick because I was literally about to fall down. So I ate 1 oatmeal cookie and I ate 5 crackers. So hopefully that doesn't affect me too badly, but I just needed to grab something quickly so that I could have something on my stomach to take the tablet. Yeah, I'm still feeling okay. I really have been weak this week, lack of energy. But in terms of my eating and my cravings, it's been fine. I think the Jello really helps. The sparkling ice that I have really helps as well. So that's good. So I will check in back with you guys when I'm having lunch. So it's 2 p.m. and I'm now eating my first meal of the day, which is my leftovers from yesterday. So I have some stewed chicken back and some vegetables I had from yesterday. I decided to add some other salsa on it this time, and some ranch dressing, and of course I have over here my half of my sparkling ice. So I'm gonna chug on this right now. Okay, so it's currently 8:35 and I'm just now having something to eat. I honestly have not been feeling hungry. I still don't feel hungry, but I decided to make something, and what I have here is, so I made 2 omelets. So one is at the top and one is at the bottom, and I just kind of use it to sandwich some turkey breasts, 2 turkey breasts, and you guys know that this is 1 net carb per breast. And then I have some cheese and some chunky salsa in there. That's it. That's what I'll be eating, and I'll be drinking some water, and I'll probably have some of my sugar-free Jello. But when I know, guys, when I really feel hungry, but I eat because I know I have to. So today is keto day 12, I believe. I think today is keto day 12. Either way, today's Friday, so whatever day that is. I am gonna have lunch now. It's 2:52 p.m. and I have the rest of my stewed chicken back, some vegetables, and then I have some tuna and callaloo right here. That's what I'll be eating for lunch. Yesterday, I know I don't say no footage yesterday because yesterday was just a complete mess. I will tell you guys about that probably in the next clip. I also got some items from PriceSmart that I want to show you guys as well. I'll show you that in the next clip. And as usual, I'm having half of my sparkling ice, the pink grapefruit flavor. That I think now is like my favorite flavor from them, so I'm having that for lunch. Okay guys, so as promised, I'm going to tell you the story of yesterday. So yesterday I was really feeling very sick, like from early in the morning, like probably about 6 a.m. I was feeling very ill. And so I was like, I have to eat something in order to take the medication, because I can't take the medication that I needed to take on an empty stomach. So I ate a couple of Vienna sausages, right? Took the pill never worked. I started feeling sick, worse, sick. Not gonna get into all the details, but was feeling really sick. And I just could not keep down anything. And no, people, I am not pregnant, so don't get no ideas. Right? So I ended up having to drink a Gatorade yesterday, which is why I have no footage because I was literally so sick. But I did drink a Gatorade to build up my electrolytes. And then I had a bowl of frozen fruits, which I already say that's a whole heap of sugar, which equal a whole heap of carbs. And then I had some tuna, a little bit, because I wasn't really having much of an appetite yesterday. I had a little bit of tuna with callaloo and like a little bit, almost a little bit mean little bit, and I think I had about 10 crackers with that, and I had water. Yeah, I think that was it. That's all I had yesterday. So you don't know already, the fruits, the Gatorade, and the crackers would have bring me over my carb intake, over the 20 carbs that I'm supposed to be eating per day. So I don't know if I'm out of ketosis, but anyway, we'll press on. As I showed you, I was back on track this morning. I didn't really have, well, not this morning because I didn't eat until 2. I didn't really have much of the food because I didn't really have much of an appetite, so I didn't even eat off everything that I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, that was my day yesterday. Anyway, I went to PriceSmart today and I got some items that I feel like would probably be helpful to you if you shop at PriceSmart, or if you're on keto, or if you're just starting out just like me. So I just want to share them with you. So some of them you probably have already seen in my keto week 1 update, but I did obviously have to stock up. So the first item that I'm going to be showing you is this 2-pack of turkey breast meat. It's the member selection turkey breast meat, and let me just tell you what the nutrition is on it. So in terms of the carbs, it is 1 net carb, right? Because it has no fiber. So it's 1 carb for every 2 slices of this that you eat. So this is what it looks like right here. So it's a 2-pack. I don't know how much come in each pack, but let me see if I can show you the size. That's that right there. Yeah, so they're thin sliced. It's 1 carb for every 2. So when I eat 4, I really am eating 2 carbs, if that makes sense. If you watch my first video, keto week 1, you guys would know. And the cost for this, because I have the receipt right here, because I know you guys are gonna ask me the price. The price of this was $1,099 plus tax. So this is something that, as you know, see me use this enough, it's quick and easy. Like I don't have to cook nothing. Sometimes I will fry it up if I want to. Sometimes I'll microwave it. It all depends on what I'm feeling or what I feel like to do. But this is definitely something easy. And to me, the easier it is for me to follow on keto, the better it's gonna be for me to be able to stay consistent and stay on the diet. The next thing is, you guys know that cheese is a must on the keto diet. It definitely helps a lot to especially get in your fats. So this is the cheese that I usually buy, the member selection Mexican style 4 cheese blend. This is how much pounds? It's a 3-pound bag, and the cost for this is $1,559 plus tax. And in terms of the, I forgot to tell you that the turkey meat before, it has 1 gram of fat per serving, and the serving size is 2 slices. And then the cheese has, in terms of fat, it has 9 grams of fat, total fat, and the serving size is 1/4 cup, and it has 1 carb per 1/4 cup. So still good, like that's fine, and you know, everything nicer with cheese on it. So that's those 2 items. And then something else that I got, which I actually went on the PriceSmart site and was just looking to see if they had any options, anything that I never have to order, because I'm here looking and saying, well, a lot of things that I would want, like them have like low carb wraps and those kind of things that I think would be beneficial to me in my journey. Them don't really have that in Jamaica. But anyway, I was searching on PriceSmart online. If you never know, PriceSmart have an online store. They have an online store where you can literally go on it and see what is in stock before you guys go there. So I saw this thing, right, called Joseph's Lavash Bread. Right, this is it. It's like huge. It wants to remind me of like tortilla, but it's not a tortilla. But it kind of have the same kind of vibe, you know, a flatbread, pizza bread, wrap, whatever you want to call it. Have the same kind of vibe, but they're huge. So 8 come in here. And when I looked at the nutrition facts online, it actually says if you're counting carbs, a serving size, which is a half of one of these, is 6 net carbs. So that's good. So, and I mean, this is huge. If I eat half of this, I know that would bring it up. So yeah, this is the Joseph's flax oat bran and whole wheat lavash bread. It has 6 grams of proteins. It's protein per serving, and it has 60 calories. And I said the serving size is a half of one of these things, but they're huge. They are huge. So I was really pretty excited to find this. I'm hoping that it tastes good. What else do I want to know? It has 1.5 grams of fat, and as I said, it has 8 grams of carbs, 2 dietary fiber. So you know, to get your net carbs, you minus your dietary fiber from the total carbs, which brings it to 6 grams of carbs. So if, like, I guess I bought this, like, if you're missing bread and them something there, you can probably try this. Like, you can probably do like breakfast wraps, or you know, even if you eat curry. The other day I eat curry, last week I eat curry, and I could eat curry with it, you know, just to kind of mix it up a little bit and give you a little, you know, different texture and stuff like that, if you're somebody who loves texture in your food. So I did get that. The cost for that was $782.61, and 8 come in there, if I didn't mention that before. Then the last thing I got, I'm gonna have to take my time and lift this up, right, is this 24 case of LaCroix, I think it's called LaCroix sparkling water. So it's similar. I'm gonna have to put it down, people, because it's heavy. Oh yeah, so it is similar to like the sparkling ice that I usually drink, but the sparkling ice, to be honest guys, is very expensive. It is $230 something, I believe, for it. I think that's so much for it. Let me tell you. Yeah, it's $220 for it plus tax for one, right? And I got this bag, this what do you call this, case of 24 for $1,729 plus tax, which is not bad, because if I was to buy 24 of the sparkling ice, that would be $5,000. So I decided to get this. I have never tried it before. Same as the lavash bread, I've never tried it before. So I guess when I do try it, I will tell you guys how it tastes, what I think. It comes with a couple different flavors: orange, lemon, and lime. So 6 lemon, 6 orange, and 12 lime. I mean, I'm not a big juice person, but trust me, sometimes on the keto you can feel like it's just bare savory things you're eating, and sometimes you just need something sweet. So I did get that. So yeah, that was just my little haul. If you guys get a chance to go up to Price Mart, if you want to try the keto diet or whatever, these are just a few options. I still think that I want to order some stuff on Amazon, but I may not do that yet. I want to kind of see if this is something that I'm going to keep up before I go ahead and start ordering anything online on Amazon, because you know that can be expensive. Sometimes when you order the things, and by the time it's cheap and food, and you know, so I can be wary. Sometimes you know, I'm a little wary about ordering food, you know, from Amazon. But if I'm going to do that, I will definitely let you guys know as well and see how it works out. But yeah, that was my little haul. So it is very late now. What time is it? It is 7:44, and I haven't eaten anything else since day. I think I'm gonna try one of the lavash bread, half of it, and maybe, I don't know, make something with a turkey breast and some cheese and maybe like some relish or something. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm really excited to try it. I don't know, somebody eager to try the lavash bread here. So I cut one half of it, this is half, and I put 1 slice of turkey breast on each side, I guess, and I'm gonna cut it in two. I have a little bit of relish at the top as well, so I'm just gonna cut it in two and probably like roll them up. I don't know if I can do this while holding the camera, but let's see. Come on, man, knife. Yes, I'm gonna roll it like this. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna roll it like this and eat it. I'm just gonna try it for you guys since this is my first time. So here it is. Bussin'. So good. So good. It kind of want to taste like roti. Like it reminds me of a normal wrap, like tortilla, but I just guess it has less carbs. I'm not mad at it, guys. Not mad at it at all. That's good. So good. I think I'm also gonna have some sparkling ice tonight with this. But yeah, this is my last meal of the day. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I feel like I did something here. No, trust me. So nice, and you can do so many variations of this. You can add an egg if you want to. You can add you can make it like a taco. I'm sure you can fry them as well and probably cut them up, fry them and make chips and eat dip. Ideas, people. I like this. It's good. Good morning, guys. Happy Keto Day 13. Today's Saturday. I don't know why on Saturdays I'm so hungry. It is literally 9:45 and I'm just about to eat something. So I made an omelette. I don't fold my omelets in half. I just make them basically the size of the frying pan. So this is 2 eggs, 3 Vienna sausages, and then I have some cheese under here, and then I have the lavash bread that I ate last night. So I'm eating the other half of it now. So I'm just gonna eat this right now. But yeah, hungry. Hopefully I don't get the munchies today, because you know last week Saturday, if you watch my previous keto video of my first week, you guys know that I had the munchies. So hopefully I keep full today. But this morning, bruh, I was hungry. It's lunchtime. It's 20 to 5, so it's 4:40, and I made a chicken salad. So I have some mild rotisserie chicken. I know I'm probably eating rotisserie chicken a lot these days, but I don't usually eat rotisserie chicken a lot, but it just so happens that I have rotisserie chicken. So I basically shredded up that. I think I used the thigh and not the flat, the drum of the wing. Shredded that up. I boiled 2 eggs, added that to this, added some mayo, added some black pepper, red crushed peppers, onions, a little bit of relish, and I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was it. That's what I added. And I have some 1 cucumber here, 1 small cucumber that I cut up, and I'll be eating with this. And I'll be having half of the sparkling ice, pink grapefruit. I think this is the last one that I have, and then I'll probably start drinking the La Croix, the canned sparkling water that I showed you guys earlier in the haul. So yeah, I'm about to grab on this. I'm actually pretty excited because this look good, people. Oh, I put some paprika in there as well. But yeah, this look good, people. So I'm gonna eat this, and then we'll see if I'll eat anything else for the day. So happy Sunday, guys. Today is Sunday. Today closes out week 2. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm eating for dinner. I have a salad here with some sweet pepper, cabbage, carrots, lettuce, and cut up some chicken breast on the top here. And I have some ranch dressing and cheese also on the salad. I'm also trying the LaCroix sparkling water. I tasted it a while ago, and it is really just sparkling water, like literally just sparkling water, like it not a flavor, but that's okay though. So yeah, I'm having this for my lunch on Sunday. The next clip that you're gonna see is just my wrap up, and I'm gonna tell you how much weight I lost for this week. But yeah, this is basically the end of week 2, so I'm gonna grab, and then we'll catch up in the next clip. So it's Sunday, and it's the end of week 2 of keto. So this week I lost 2.6 pounds, which would mean which would mean since I started the diet, I have lost 8.6 pounds. No, I'm not mad at that at all. Like, I'm not mad at that number. Like, as I was telling you guys earlier on in the video, like, I literally was sick this week. And so therefore there were 2 days in particular that I was not able to eat the way that I wanted to, just because I was so sick. But yeah, I'm still happy. You know, this week I was able to work out 4 days for the week, so I'm happy about that. I'm feeling fine. Still, the number 2 still not coming as much as I would want them to, as much as they usually come. But I did find that, and I don't know if this is because I was sick and wasn't able to eat like 100% keto on 2 days this week, but the urination, the frequent going to the bathroom has not been that bad this week. So I figured the first week I was probably just losing water weight. Also, I've started to see like a difference in my face. Usually when I lose weight or I'm losing weight, I usually see a difference in my face first, and like my collarbone here. So I see a difference in that. I also see a difference in my clothes. Like, you know, the Old Navy haul I did the other day, like I put on one of those shorts and I was like, but okay, this went on with ease though. Like, okay, something is going on here. So yeah, I can definitely tell a difference in my body. Also, I can tell a difference in my midsection also. I don't know, I just feel like I'm less bloated. My belly is not as big as it always is, and I'm not mad at that. The workouts this week, as I was filling you guys in previous parts of the video, that it was a struggle, it was really rough, but that could have been because I was on my cycle this week. So maybe as well that, I don't know, had something to do with how I was feeling this week or whatever. But the workouts this week were definitely a struggle. Today's Sunday, so you know today's the first day of my workout for the week, and today honestly wasn't so bad. I was able to complete my full workout. Last week Sunday I wasn't able to do the full thing. I was just able to do as much as I could, and then I had to stop. But this week I was able to do my full workout. But it was still difficult, more difficult than before I was on the keto. So I don't know if this, you know, the cycle thing, or I don't know, but it was definitely not that much of a struggle, but still a struggle. What else do I have to tell you? I think that's basically it. I think a big thing for me this week was actually getting a hold of that lavash bread that I showed you in my Price Mart little haul. I think that's a game changer. And of course, I don't know, some I have the jello, so you know, if I feel for something sweet, I am actually thinking about having some jello this evening. You know, I can actually get that, so that's something that I'm just make sure I'm having in my house all the time, because there are not many sweet options that you can have that are available in Jamaica currently. I still am thinking about ordering maybe some stuff online. Like, I see that they have some keto friendly foods that you can get like on Amazon. So if I do buy that, I will definitely show you guys and tell you guys my experience. Oh yes, I had the LaCroix. Today I had the lime flavor, but I don't think I had told you guys that when I showed you my food in the previous clip. But I did have the lime flavor. This is what it looked like. So it's 1 can, 0 calories, 0 sweetener, no sodium. So this actually tastes bad, but I mean, it's drinkable. It actually is very fresh. Like, if you're used to like soda and stuff, like, it has the fizziness of a soda and the fizziness of a sparkling ice, but the flavor, it's not sweet, but you taste the lime flavor, but it's not sweet. So I'm just letting you guys know that. But it's okay for me. It doesn't taste good, but I don't mind. That's fine for me. So I did have this with my lunch, and I had the entire thing. Like, I'm not having half of it like what I did with the sparkling ice. So I actually had one full one. So 23 more to go. 23 more to go, because it's a 24 pack. I don't know if I'll buy it back, but if I do, we'll see. Maybe as I drink the 24, I will feel like I like it now. I don't know. I also should have mentioned that I wasn't having any munchies this week. I didn't have any munchies this week at all. I didn't feel like I was craving things, so that was good. The weekend was a lot better than last weekend, than the first week. So I just wanted to point that out. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you enjoyed week 2 keto update from me. Please let me know if you're on the keto diet, if you have any tips for me or any advice or anything like that, or you know, if we're on it together, you know, reach out to me, let me know. You can follow me on on Instagram at Just Devi Marie as well, and you can reach out to me and we can chat if needs be. And please remember to check out the previous video on my channel and my channel playlist. And also I have another channel called Yardments, in case you never know. I will leave all the links to that channel in the description, so just be sure to check out the description. So thanks again for watching another episode. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.